How to see name in OmeTV mobile. What's up everyone? For today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can see the names in OmeTV mobile. First thing is to go to OmeTV site using any browser that is available and then sign in to your account. In this procedure, we need to account for two people. It can be anyone that you know. It doesn't matter as long as it is two accounts. So what you're going to do is both of you have to open new tab on your laptop or your computer. And then search in here video chat extension. Just pay attention on the logo that I will be clicking so that you won't make any mistake. It also works for OmeTV, so we're just going to click here. It will lead you to the Chrome Web Store. Just click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Don't worry because this extension is completely safe. Now it's going to download and install. Once done, you can see that this extension has been integrated with the OmeTV site. After you have done this, go to the settings. Reminder, this method still applies to both of you and the other one that is opening the OmeTV. Just scroll down and now for the gender recognition, can either skip man or skip woman. Just click on your preferences. This goes also for the region and the city. Once done, you can now do a test video call in OmeTV with your brother or with anyone that you asked to do the same procedure earlier. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching.